starting from the point where you've filed your nails into the desired shape that you want and you've pushed back your cuticles or done some cuticle work, you can apply a nail polish base coat to each of your 10 nails. If you're choosing to use a nail polish colour, you would do so once the nail polish base coat is dry. So just add it to the nails, however many colours you want to use, or as said before, you don't actually have to use a nail polish colour, you can just use the nail art pens and use the colour from the pens instead. Once the nail polish is dry, you can select the nail art pens in the colours that you're choosing to use. I'm just doing some love hearts on the ring fingers here. I chose to leave these nails plain. I wanted to show what the what the nail art pens look like with no colour background, just so you can see that they work just as well without a background colour. So just adding in some white love hearts as well. And some gold love hearts too. I want to add in some yellow over the pink polish on each nail, so what I'm doing is just making sure that it's fully dry and taking the yellow nail art pen and applying some squiggle kind of lines over the pink polish. This is a very on-trend type of nail art at the minute, very easy to do, extremely foolproof. And what I just wanted to show, so if we zoom in here, you'll see that they're not maybe as opaque as what I would want. I think I didn't really shape the pen properly, so I want to show that you can actually double up on layers once the first layer is dry. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going over the yellow squiggles just to give a more opaque finish. And once that's completely dry, you can go in then with your favorite top coat. This one is mine, but I'm sure we all have our own favorite brands. I will say to pick something that isn't a very thick top coat, just so it dries that bit quicker. This one in particular is fantastic, and I've said it time and time again, and it does exactly what it says on the tin, and it's cheap as chips. So yeah, I am recommending this one, but buy whatever you want. Once you've applied the top coat and it's dry, you then of course can go in with some cuticle oil just to make your manicure last that little bit longer. This manicure should last you anywhere from 2 to 3 days up to a week, depending on how well you look after it. It is just regular polish, but that only opens up freedom to change it up whenever you're bored or you want to try something new. I hope you enjoyed the video.